Hello everyone, today I shall discuss exercise 15.1 question number 5. Match the nets with appropriate solids. Let us match in this way that here you see that a cylinder, here you say that a cylinder has three faces 1, 2 and 3, and here you see there's three faces 1, 2 and 3. There are two circular face and one is round face, that is if you cut it you get a rectangle. That means we will match with 3. Right? In case of cube, it has 6 faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 faces. That means A will match with these two. Right? And in case of this cone, here you see there is a circle here and there is another surface. There will be two faces, two surface is there. This one, this is round face, right? That means this circle and this is the net for this cone. And here you see that this is a pyramid. Here you see the base is a square. Here you see this base is a square and the four faces are triangles 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, this will match with question number that is 1. Right? Now we match this. You have to remember the number of faces. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.